And well, let's talk about the Dharavi model, which is garnering a lot of praise from all corridors. Yes, Dharavi, for the second time, has been able to record zero COVID 19 cases. This has happened for the second time since the onset of the pandemic and for the first time in the second wave itself. Scaled up testing and vaccination are believed to be the reasons behind the success story. Here's a report.
Mumbai's Dharavi, one of the most densely populated areas in the world, has reported no spike in cases in the last 48 hours. This is the second time that Dharavi has achieved this record since the COVID-19 outbreak. It had reported zero cases in a day even in December 2020. Dharavi's timely COVID management, door-to-door screening of people with symptoms, scaled-up vaccination rate and strict following of COVID norms helped Asia's biggest slum tide over the second COVID wave.
जिंदगी भर तो लॉकडाउन में रह नहीं सकते हो, आज नहीं तो कल आपको लॉकडाउन खोलना होगा, रूटीन शुरू करना होगा। सबसे बड़ी बात जो धारावी जो स्मॉल इंडस्ट्रीज का हब है, एक फाइनेंशियल हब है कि जहाँ पे जैसे मैंने कहा 15,000 फैक्ट्रीज है, प्रोडक्शन मैन्युफैक्चरिंग होके उसका एक्सपोर्ट होता है। तो ये सब चीज़ें इकोनॉमी कहीं ना कहीं रन होने के लिए धीरे धीरे खोलना शुरू है। इसमें एक ही रह जाता है कि हैंड वॉश करना या फिर आप मास्क लगाना, ये सब चीज़ों पे ध्यान दिया तो मुझे लगता है कि धीरे धीरे अनलॉक करने से कुछ दिक्कतें नहीं हो सकती।
On April 8th, Dharavi reported the highest ever single-day spike of 99 cases.
First time since the second wave of COVID-19 pandemic in Mumbai, from February 1st, Dharavi reported zero cases yesterday. This development comes even as Mumbai reported approximately 529 cases of COVID yesterday. What we saw was in the second wave of COVID, Mumbai was the worst affected city with the cases going up to approximately 11,500. But despite that, yesterday, Dharavi reported zero cases.
Bureau Report, Republic TV.